In creating the 3/8 diameter tenons on the ends of these rungs, I first of all just rough in a square that's 3/8 inch square on sides on both ends, and then I use the Drawknife to flatten down to that marking. That's about there, and then I can do the next side down. Repeat that flattening process. And all four sides, so I've got something that looks like that. And so now I need to start rounding that, create an octagon shape, and then continue to work down. And a gauge that I'm using is a 3/8 inch open end wrench. So when I get down close, I'll use this to test how I'm doing and make any adjustments. So now I'm just knocking the corners off to create kind of an octagon shape. And I see that I'm going to need to take more material out the back here. Help get a nice length of a 3/8 tenon in there. Okay, I'm gonna now just kind of work the end a little bit, try to get down to the diameter, and then use the open end wrench to see if that will. It does. Now I've got markings on that I can spokeshave out those markings made by that open end wrench. See how that's going. I've still got a little bit more to, and then there's quite a bit more back here that I need to remove. A little bit more control with the Spokeshave over the Drawknife, but I think I could have done more with the Drawknife, get it closer. That's starting to look like it's gonna. Gonna work, and I'll just do another test here, and I'm still fat. And this makes a nice mark to tell me where material needs to come off. tenon needs to be about 1 inch long. Actually, it'd be better if this were dry wood. Right now it's wet, which means as it loses moisture, it's going to shrink a little bit. It'd be better if this were dry. But that's a tenon that'll work, and I'll just do the same process on the other end.